We are heading to Raja Ampat in Indonesia, which is somewhere we've wanted to go for a really long time. But despite the fact we're already pretty close, it's going to take us 36 hours to get there. 3 flights and 2 boats. So we're looking forward to the next day and a half of travel.
We're just boarding the first flight of 3 today. So heading to KL after Songkran, which has been amazing, but long day ahead of us.
Immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.
First of 5 legs is down, 1 flight, we've arrived in KL. We've got to sit around for 5 hours before our next flight to Jakarta and the Southern Hemisphere for the first time this trip.
He's totally doing it. He's there. He's seen it. And he wants it.
Bacon double cheeseburger meal. The food in Thailand has been far too good, and I've just had mediocre airport food, so I'm treating myself to a Burger King. See, it's only a small burger, so I can save room for a McFlurry too.
We're having a healthy food day. So 45 minutes after we're due to depart, we have a plane and we've started boarding. I think we're going to be a little bit late, but it's okay because we still have like 5 hours in Jakarta anyway.
At this point of
This is
time,
what happens
kindly
when you
remain
can't
seated
check in
at your
online.
assigned seat, and please ensure
right
that
here.
all electronic devices, especially your
Alex is
mobile
sat
phones, have been switched.
So we've made it to Jakarta, our second flight complete, got our luggage, feels like Groundhog Day. Kind of wish we booked this all as one, but that wasn't an option. And we're going to go and hang out for another 5 hours before our final flight. We're now ready for our third flight off to Sarong. It's just come up to midnight, so we have now been travelling for 18 hours. We're about halfway there.
So it's 6 AM, we've been travelling 23 hours, 3 flights down, we've still got at least a 2-hour ferry, well a tuk-tuk ride, a 2-hour ferry, and then we've got to be picked up by a boat from the main ferry terminal to go to our homestay. So we've got quite a while left to go, but at least the flying is out of the way.
So we've just arrived at the ferry terminal and the building was locked. They've had to unlock it to let us in so we can sit down, and we have to wait another couple of hours until we get a ticket.
Well, the weather is drab and miserable. if it wasn't quite so hot, I would have thought it was the UK. We can hope that that improves. We've arrived in Wayside, and paid for our marine park fees and stuff, and now we have arrived at the homestay on this boat, ready to get going over to Gem Island. It's been a long day. I'm using this as my sunshade for my eyes.
We have arrived! This is Gem, and this is Coral Homestay.
This is the view from our room. We have a hammock. We have a curtain for our door. And then we have some bamboo mats, a little bed, and a mosquito net. What more do you need?
This is how far we have to walk to get to the beach. It's low tide. Hello. Hey, the quiet one. We appear to be the only locals on this boat.
No.
Okay. Come on.
We appear to be the only two people that are not locals on this boat. I think the weather's well, isn't a swear word. It's bad.
Feels like